Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was up 0.16% today. Really, today was just like yesterday, kind of flatlining the whole day, waiting for the different things that are going to happen this week. The earnings reports that are coming out, the PCE inflation report that's going to come, the election that's a week away, the November 7th meeting with the Fed. So there's a lot of things the market's going to be looking at. But a few things did happen today after the market closed. The most important of which is Google, Alphabet, reported its earnings today. They were up 35% over the same quarter last year, which is a really good jump altogether. And one of the problems that a lot of these companies have been having is they've been spending a lot of money investing in artificial intelligence. And of course, that brings down your earnings overall. But they were able to offset that with their cloud computing surge and YouTube advertising, et cetera. So really good numbers. It's up about 5.25% after hours right now. So after the market's closed. So we'll see, what happens tomorrow. That's a really good kickoff to all of these big pieces that are going to be coming with Microsoft and Amazon and Apple and et cetera. So it's not a bad sign at all to see these things. Again, the companies are continuing as a group on the S&P 500 to exceed expectations for earnings growth. Another good quarter, I think maybe 10 in a row now, where we've had more than 70% of companies report better than expected earnings. And so it's kind of amazing, there's always this kind of undercurrent of, hey, things are going to go wrong here. And again, maybe it's because that's what we see. Everything out there seems to be kind of negative, and don't get the full balance of what's going on, but things are still going pretty well. That's why the stock market is up near its all-time highs and what have you. Again, I wouldn't expect it to do a whole lot. Maybe it moves some tomorrow because of good earnings or what have you, but I think there's too many other things the market's going to be waiting for, especially the election and what have you too, at this point, where it's just going to wait and see what happens. So, but not a bad day altogether, really. Another up day. Last week, every day was down a little bit. So it's nice to see this week so far anyway. The first 2 days have been up. So look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. We'll talk to you then. Thank you very much.